doing just fine, Mr. Piccolo. Are you sure you haven't been driving before?
All right, try it again. Start the engine. Well, what's wrong?
How do you start this thing again?
Come on, I've shown you 3 times already. If you really want to learn how to drive, you'd better start paying attention.
I will. Give me another chance.
Why should I? You stink.
I can't smell anything. Are you sure?
I don't mean you. You're driving.